In today's video, we're going to show you how you can insert a checkbox in Microsoft Excel. For this, we need to do one thing. We need a developer option in this row, but there is no developer option. To get the developer option, we need to go to the file, then we need to go to more option. Here you can see an option. Click there. There is an option is customize ribbon. Click here. Here in the right side you can see that there is an option which is developer. This is unchecked. Please check this and click OK. Now you can see developer option in the top of the Excel. Now let's move to the process. Click developer option. Suppose we want to insert a checkbox, then go to insert. There you can see that there is checkbox. Click there. Now draw the checkbox. Look, checkbox appear. You need to set it here. Now we don't want to this text, so we are deleting this. Look, the checkbox is appear. If you select this will be the checkbox tick mark, and on the other hand, if you don't select this will be like that. Just drag and drop to the last cell. Look, now you can use it as a checkbox. Look how easy it is. Thanks for watching the video.